Hello, welcome back. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify the test results and generate the test reports that you can either download or send to the patient. So to do that, you have to log in as either a lab admin or lab scientist, you know, or owner. So I'm logged in as a lab admin. So you just come to this sidebar, see result verification, click on that. It brings you to this page. So this is the test we just concluded. The test we just concluded on. The one we just entered the test results. So this is it, the full blood count, Lola OKK. This is the other number. It has 8 parameters. So you can see analyzed by Meridane, that is the user or the staff that analyzed it, that is the technician. So the name will be seen here. So you as a lab owner or the admin, you see all of these details. So to verify, you click on this button, verify. So it brings up the results. So you now see with this verify now, it brings up this pop-up where you see the results that was entered by the lab technician. So these are all the results that were entered by the lab technician. You know. So and this is the signature. So once you sign once, the signature remains there. So next time you don't need to sign again. So I've signed this signature before in a previous testing, while we're testing. So that's why this signature is showing here. So this signature will appear on the test report. This signifying who verified the test results. So you get to see the test report, what it looks like. LabCona generates that for you. So we have AI interpretation. So AI, if you click on this generate interpretation now, AI will go through all of these details and interpret the test results for you. Write out the interpretation here. With that interpretation, you can either you go through it. If you're okay with it, you use it as it is. If you're not okay with it, you can delete it. You can edit it, or you can just start from scratch and type yours in this box. So you're going to see that shortly. So because LabCona is an AI powered application, so that's why we have this. So let's click on generate interpretation, so you can see. So you can see it has generated interpretation. It said the full block count FBC/CBC result of Lola OKK are within normal limit for a female of her age. All parameters including WBC, RBC, hemoglobin, hematocrit, Patel, MCV, MCH, MCHC are in the expected ranges, suggesting no evidence of pathological disorders or abnormalities at this time. So it has interpreted it. So if you're okay with it, you use this. If you're not okay with it, maybe you feel you want to change some things or add some things, you click on edit. See, you can't do anything, but once you click on edit, you see now I can type anything See that? I can type anything, So once you're done, you click on Save Edit. So you can see will be added to report. You can also undo if you made a mistake. So, and also in the background, AI has validated the result. It says result appears within acceptable range. So it has also done that for you, that within the background. So the AI is the AI feature that we added into LabCona is to aid your work, is to help you, work faster, smarter, and all of that. So it's just to aid your work and simplify things and help you also identify errors, catch errors in case maybe there's value that is entered that is not accurate and all that. AI helps you identify all of those errors. So once you're done with everything, you come here. You can also write verification notes. So I'm going to leave that. So you come here and click on this button, approve and verify. You can also reject if you feel the figures are not okay. So approve and verify. So you can see now pending. Initially it was on pending verification, but because we verified it, it's no longer there. It's now here, verified and ready for release. So you can release it to this customer, to the patient. Once you click on this, it will be sent to the customer's email. Remember at the beginning when we were creating the patient information, there's a column for email. So once this is clicked, it will be sent, the test report will be sent to the patient email, that is PDF format. Then this, you can also click on this to download the PDF of the test results. But I'm going to come back to this. I want to show you something. We can view the report from here. So this is it, Lola OKK. This is it. So to view report, you click on this view report button. So it's generating a report for you now. So this is a report. So this is where the name of your lab, logo, your address and everything. So this is the report ID, the ID of the report. This is the order number, that is the test order number. This is the report date, status is verified. Then this is patient and other information, patient name Lola OKK, patient ID, date of birth, age, gender, female, blood group, all of those information, collection, priority, all of this. Then the test, then which is a full blood count. So these are all the data, all the information we entered, all the figures. These are then the overall result is normal. Then comment and interpretation. This is the AI generated clinical interpretation. This is AI generated clinical interpretation that we worked on. Then this is the Meridane, which is the lab technician. This is our password. Then this is the pathologist or lab manager's result. That's the person that verified the test results. So this is it. So you can also download from here. You can click on print to print it out. Then you send it to a printer. So is that simple? You can download from here. You can download from here. You can also print from here to still bring you here. You can download from here. Let's do all of them. It's asking for a name. Let's say Lola. Okay. Sorry. save. So this is it. Let me open it. So you can see it well organized. So that is how it works. You can go back here. Sorry, I was going to show you something here, result verification. So I said, if you want to click on this, it also download the report. Click on this. See it here, it downloads the report. Just download it directly. So it won't ask you for the name you want to use. So that's how to verify and generate test reports also in PDF. Thank you and see you in the next video.